What's my biggest pet peeve? Carpet. Hey guys, it's Izzy from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we keep the carpet in our RV clean. Okay guys, so this is kind of the first time we're cleaning the carpet, and we're going to do it with you like live. So I don't know what the results are going to be, but we're going to find out. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to vacuum up the carpet, right? Especially if you have pets. You want to vacuum it a couple of times so that vacuum's not pulling up any more hair. This is the vacuum we use, and if you watch previous videos, we tell you how much we love this vacuum. It's the Musu. You can get this on Amazon. It's kind of like the Dyson knockoff. It's pretty cheap. I think it's like $100, but it works really well. Cordless and rechargeable, okay? The second thing, here's a new tool to our cleaning arsenal. It's going to be the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser, okay? This is available again on Amazon. I believe this is about $65. And this is what's included in the box. It's going to be your handheld steamer, okay? It's going to come in the box with 2 containers of cleaning agent. It's going to come with the charger and your instruction manual. Now, I've gone online, guys, and read some really good reviews about this, so I'm hoping that it works really well. What I do know that works well, because I've used it in my car, is this stuff, right? This is by Chemical, guys. It's called the Foaming Citrus Fabric Cleaner by Chemical, guys. Now, this comes in a kit. This is the concentrate, right? It's going to come with a bottle. You're going to fill the bottle to the 1/8 or to 8 to 1 mark, which is right there. You fill that with solution, and then you fill the rest with water, and you get this nice little green solution, and it smells citrus fresh. This stuff works really well. This will get stains out. It's going to work in conjunction with a drill. Now, this brush will also come in this kit. All these are available on Amazon, and I will put the links below. The Milwaukee Fuel is the King Air, per se, of drills, right? This stuff it's great. Powerful lithium, and what we're going to do is we're going to use this to agitate any dirt that's in the carpet. So we're going to start in the back and see what the results are. Guys, so the reason I got the Pet Stain Eraser, because it's very simple, it's small and compact, it has a lithium-ion battery. Before you use this, you have to charge it for 4 hours, and I'm just going to show you some of the basic features of it, okay? You have a brush underneath. The brush is removable, so if you need to clean the brush, that is removable, okay? These are like the selling features why I liked it. The tank here, easily removable. This is going to be the holding tank, the fill tank with the dirty water. So that's easily cleanable and refillable. And then you're going to come up top. Here is going to be your fill tank for the solution. You can see it has a line that says formula. I'm going to fill that up with the Bissell solution. And then right below that, you have another area where the actual suction is. You can take that off and clean it also. So it's very simple to use, and it'll be very simple to clean. Okay, so this has been charged already. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the cap off, and I'm going to fill it. I'm assuming this is already measured out. I hope it is. But I'm going to fill it up with the solution. All right. Now, I'm not going to pre-treat the carpet. I'm going to do that with the Chemical, guys. All right, guys, we are in the bedroom of the motorhome. This has the most carpet. All right, so I'm just going to take a small section and do that for you, because I'm sure you're not going to want to sit here and see me on my hands and knees going through the whole motorhome. So what we're going to do is the solution is already made, the Chemical, guys, solution 8 to 1. All right, we're going to spray generously. All right, I'm just going to do a little section here. Now, guys, you don't want to soak your carpet, and we're certainly not going to add a bunch of water to it. But then I'm going to go, oh, I smell that. You smell that? It smells like grapefruit.
I didn't smell it.
All right, so let's get this ready to go. All right, so we're just going to go and start circular motion. So you want to work that into the carpet, and that will loosen any dirt. Now, you might be looking at this carpet, say it's not really dirty, and I don't think it really is, because we're not like full timing, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of dirt that comes out of it. All right, so it's that little section we did there. I'm gonna let this sit, you know, maybe 2-3 minutes. Just let the formula work, lift whatever dirt, loosen up any dirt, and then I'm gonna come back with the Pet eraser. Now guys, just to make everything clear, right, you don't need to do that pre-step like I did with the chemical guy stuff. I'm just doing that because I want it extra clean. You could do everything with here. I don't think it's going to work as good just because you don't have that rotating bristle, but you can do it with this too. So this has been sitting for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to go with the pet stain eraser, sorry, and I'm going to start sucking up the solution. Well, putting down this solution and sucking it up. So I got the solution in. I got the solution that comes with this. Now I'm just gonna go in and just suck up as much as I can, right? Because you don't want to leave that super wet. You want to kind of suck up whatever you can. All right, guys. So I just cleaned this little section here, and like I said, this is the real-time use of this. After using it, I am not going to put the links below because honestly, this is a piece of shit. All right, that's what it is. There's the solution. It's empty. Okay, and here is the actual. You could see that's how much it collected, guys.
Oh my god!
I mean, this is ridiculous.
And it's still wet,
and the
right?
Carpet,
the floor is still
carpet,
soaked. It's
not soaked, but you can still feel the solution on here. So I'm gonna have to get something a little better. Maybe this is good for like, I don't know, for like a little placemat. I have no idea.
Dollhouse.
It just doesn't have the section on it. Like I said, guys, we're doing this live, and it's a piece of trash. This stuff I know is good because I've used this before. This works really well. So we're gonna have to go back to where we got this, and we're gonna return it and tell them exactly what I just told you.
Put in the comments what you use.
Yeah, have you guys used this stuff? I think we're gonna have to get something a little more powerful. I figured this was compact, but this just ain't doing the job, guys. So I hope you appreciate the honesty. Let us know what you use in the comments. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna link over here some of our other DIY videos on products that actually do work, as well as our RV walkthroughs. So myself and MJ, we're sorry for wasting your time, and we hope to see you guys on the road.